Planning a trip to Morocco with your eVisa? Here are key health and safety tips to keep in mind. Check Morocco's current health entry rules before travel. Keep your vaccination records in both digital and paper form. Routine vaccines like MMR, TDAP, and polio should be up to date. If you'll eat street food or visit rural areas, consider hepatitis A and typhoid. For remote stays or animal contact, consider rabies and hepatitis B. Pack a small health kit, prescription medicines in original packaging, basic first aid, pain relief, diarrhea and allergy tablets, sunscreen, and insect repellent. Enjoy Moroccan food safely. Drink only sealed bottled water. Avoid tap water and ice. Pick clean, busy food stalls. Wash or peel fruits and vegetables. Pack for varied climates. Light clothing for heat, warm layers for mountains, and sun protection. Bring rain gear if visiting between November and March. Know where nearby clinics and pharmacies are. Have travel insurance that covers emergencies. Save emergency numbers: 15 for medical help and fire, 19 urban, or 177 rural for police. Morocco is generally safe. Avoid isolated areas at night, secure your belongings, and stay aware of scams. Dress with respect, especially in rural or religious places, and avoid public displays of affection. If driving, follow speed limits, wear seatbelts, and avoid night driving in rural areas. Expect uneven roads and animals crossing. With these steps, you'll be prepared to travel safely and enjoy your time in Morocco.